If you're looking to install Strapi on your Mac, the process is straightforward and perfect for developers seeking a customizable headless CMS. Before you begin, make sure you have Node.js and NPM installed on your system. Strapi depends on these, so it's crucial to get them set up first. You can verify the installations using basic terminal commands. Once your environment is ready, the next step is to use the terminal to install Strapi via the recommended package manager. Strapi provides a quick start setup that includes everything you need to run a local project, including a SQLite database and a full admin panel. This method is ideal for testing, prototyping, or learning the platform. When you run the installation, Strapi will prompt you to choose between creating a JavaScript or TypeScript project. After that, it automatically sets up the project folder, installs all necessary dependencies, and prepares your application to run. After installation, navigate to your project folder and start the server. Your browser will open a local admin dashboard where you can create an admin user and begin building content types and APIs. That's it. You're ready to explore Strapi and integrate it into your development workflow on macOS. Thanks for watching.